Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha, and today I thought I'll talk about a product that I haven't seen many people talk about here on YouTube, except for the brand owner, who's Linda Hallberg. And when I did a quick search on YouTube, I did just find one video that actually spoke about this product. So the product I'm talking about is Linda Hallberg Infinity Glass, which is basically a glossy glow or a primer that can be used for eyes, lips, anywhere on the face essentially. This product retails for £23 for 25 ml in this tube, and I bought it off of Beauty Bay, I believe, and I will link it in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing this. But essentially, as the name suggests, it's a product that gives a glass-like effect to the skin. So think of a gloss without the stickiness of a gloss. That's what this product is. So if you're a makeup artist, this product is exceptional for any beauty or fashion shoots. So if you'd like to see this on a model who has definitely better skin than mine, you can check out my Instagram page. I'm going to pop it up on the screen somewhere here. And under the stories, you should be able to see something called glass skin or glass effect or glossy skin, something on that lines. And I have shared a photo shoot where I use this. But today I thought I'll do a quick demo on someone with oily skin like mine and how I would use it. I generally don't like to use it on my cheeks just because I have quite a bit of shine and dewiness or oiliness from my skin type. I have no highlighter on my face, and you can see that my skin still has some natural sheen to it just because of the skin type that I have. So I don't typically use it on my cheeks, but I will do a demo to show you guys how you could. I will, however, show you how to use it on the eyelids for a glossy effect, although I do have quite a glossy eye just from the eyeshadow. And in case you're curious, it's the Pat McGrath Subversive palette that I have mostly on my eyelids, especially that stunning duochrome, which is like a blue lavender shade. And I'll also show you how I use this product on top of my lip product, which is the Danessa Myricks Color Fix. This is a stunning shade called Royal Rose, or Rose Royal, Rose Oil. So the product comes in this squeezy tube with this kind of a squeeze out container. And you can put it on the back of your hand onto a palette like so. I'm going to swatch this against a gloss just to show you a difference between the two. So that's the lip gloss, and this is the Infinity Glass. But you see how similar the results are. I did take more of the gloss, so it's giving me more of a shine. So on my fingers, this is the gloss. And I don't know if you can tell the stickiness in this product. You see that stickiness? But then the Infinity Glass does not have that issue. So let's apply it on the face now. You can firstly take some and apply it to the cheekbones as a highlight. So on this cheek, for that wet look. So you can see that's the highlight. It can act as a base. You can layer other highlight products on top or just use it on its own compared to the side. Also going to apply it on this eyelid. The eyeshadow is already so metallic and wet looking that I'm not sure how much difference this product is going to make. Hopefully you can tell a difference, especially in the crease area. And then you can also use it on the lips. And this works really well as a non-sticky gloss. And as you can see, the gloss on my lips is not at all sticky. Now another way I like to use this product, if you have like a cream blush. So I'm just going to take some of the Royal Rose or Rose Royal from Danessa Myricks, mixing it in with some of the Infinity Glass to create this balmy texture. And then you can pat it on your cheeks as a blush. shears out the color fix product. It also helps in blending the pearl. Do you see that? To take some more. I'm just going to even up the other side of my face. Obviously I look crazy because I have too much going on my face with super metallic shimmery eyeshadows and then gloss on top and then glossy cheeks and blush and glossy lips, but you get the point on the versatility of this product and how many different ways you can use it. Of course, I haven't shown you how this product would apply as a primer, but I think I'm going to show you on the back of my hand, and hopefully that'll give you an idea on how radiant or glowy the skin looks once you apply a little bit of this product. So as you can see, one of the arms definitely has the glossy balm and therefore looks more radiant and has a beautiful sheen on the surface. So I think this product will be really enjoyed by someone with a drier or a normal skin type as a base before applying their foundation. Now, one thing to note is that it is going to break down the product if you have anything under your eyes. So it would be best if used on just bare eyelids, or if you don't mind seeing creasing, which is quite common in fashion, editorial, or beauty makeup. They quite like undone look, so if that's your cup of tea, then you could keep it like this. It's continuously going to break down the product as time goes on, but you do get about 3 to 5 minutes of playtime, I think, before you tend to start to see it breaking down like this. And then lastly, I have it on my lips and it feels comfortable, although it does not have any skincare properties to it. It essentially has about 3 ingredients, I think, and they're all just emollients that are used commonly in cosmetics. Overall, I'm very impressed with this product, and although I don't use it on myself much, probably only as a non-sticky lip gloss, but I do tend to use it a lot on my photo shoots, either for fashion or beauty editorial photo shoots. I give it full marks for the squeeze tube. Secondly, it's good value for money. This is £23 for 25 mils of this product. For oilier and combination skin types, I definitely think you can use this on the lips for a non-sticky gloss or for the eye gloss effect. I wouldn't particularly recommend doing this unless it's a kind of look you're going for. Also, this product is vegan and cruelty-free if that's of a concern for you. So hopefully you enjoyed this review video and got to learn something new about this newly launched product. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.